Здравствуйте, друзья! It's your Russian teacher Lisa here again. Today we are doing something fun and useful. Russian tongue twisters. In Russian they are called скороговорки. 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 Try saying that already. Скороговорки. They're not just for fun, they help with your pronunciation, rhythm, and even confidence when speaking Russian. Are you ready? Let's warm up our tongues. The classic one that everyone knows. Шла Саша по шоссе и сосала сушку. 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 Sasha was walking along the highway and sucking on a bagel. So it trains pronunciation of the sound sh and s. Don't mix them up. Sh, s. Let's say it slowly first, then faster, faster and faster. Шла Саша по шоссе и сосала сушку. For the brave, the rolling one. Карл у Клары украл кораллы, а Карла украл кларнет. Карл у Клары украл кораллы, а Клара у Карла украла кларнет. Translation: Carl stole corals from Clara, and Clara stole a clarinet from Carl. Focus on that road. Let's practice just Карл у Клары first. Карл у Клары, Карл у Клары. Keep your tongue light and bouncy. Карл у Клары, Карл у Клары, Карл у Клары. Sounds ch and sh. Чешский счетчик считал числа. Чешский счетчик считал числа. Чешский счетчик считал числа. The Czech counter was counting numbers. Let's say it together, starting slow and building speed. Чешский счетчик считал числа. The hardest one for me too. От топота копыт пыль по полю летит. 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 From the clatter of hoofs, dust flies across the field. Feel that rhythm like galloping horses. Repeat after me, nice and steady. От топота копыт пыль по полю летит. Ехал грека через реку, видит грека в реке рак. Ехал грека через реку, видит грека в реке рак. A Greek was crossing the river, sees a crayfish. And there's more, but we'll stop here today. It's a little homework. Pick one of today's скороговорки, record yourself, saying it as fast as you can. And don't worry, even native speakers mess this up. It's all part of the fun, but it's a really helpful fun if you want to pronounce the sounds correctly. So, using these tongue twisters, we can practice Russian sounds like sh, s, r, ch, sh. Build fluency and confidence, and just have fun and laugh at yourself. Спасибо, друзья! If you enjoyed this tongue twisters workout, leave a like and subscribe for more Russian tips. And if you have any questions about the Russian language, as always, you can leave them in the comments. Увидимся! Пока-пока! До встречи!